Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about CLAT UG exam pattern 2024. CLAT exam pattern 2024 has been revised by the consortium of NLUs. As per the revised pattern, the number of questions has been reduced to 120 for CLAT 2024 UG exam. CLAT 2024 exam is conducted for a duration of 2 hours in offline mode. The questions in CLAT question paper are MCQ based questions based on comprehension. CLAT UG question paper is divided into 5 sections, which includes English language, current affairs, legal reasoning, logical reasoning and quantitative techniques. Let's check the CLAT UG exam pattern 2024 with section-wise weightage. In English language, number of questions and number of marks are expected in between 24 to 28, which consists 20% weightage. In current affairs, including general knowledge, number of questions and number of marks are expected in between 30 to 32, which consists 25% weightage. In legal reasoning, number of questions and number of marks are expected in between 32 to 32, which consists 25% weightage. In logical reasoning, number of questions and number of marks are expected in between 24 to 28, which consists 20% weightage. In quantitative techniques, number of questions and number of marks are expected in between 12 to 15, which consists 10% weightage. Let's check the CLAT UG marking scheme 2024. 1 mark will be rewarded for each correct answer, while 0.25 marks will be deducted for each answer marked incorrectly. For unanswered, no marks will be deducted. Let's check some of the important topics in CLAT UG syllabus 2024. In English language, important topics are vocabulary and grammar. For the current affairs, including general knowledge, the topics are knowledge of events related to politics, awards and honors, climate, etc. of India and the world. Static journal knowledge. For the legal reasoning, important topic, awareness related to current legal and moral issues. For the logical reasoning, important topics are inferences, cause and effect, relationships, analogies, syllogism, premise and conclusion. For quantitative techniques, important topics are ratio and proportion, basic algebra, mensuration, statistical estimation. Let's check the important points of CLAT UG exam pattern 2024. In passage-based questions, 4 sections of CLAT English language, current affairs, legal reasoning and logical reasoning include passage-based questions. The passage have around 450 words each. The logical reasoning section has passage of around 300 words each. Candidates are required to answer questions based on the passages. In questions in quantitative techniques, this section contains short sets of facts, graph, propositions, pictorial and diagrammatic numerical representations. Candidate has to answer the questions based on the passage and by inferring the information and application of mathematical operations. In difficulty level of questions, the overall difficulty level of questions will be of the 12th standard. Questions in quantitative techniques section will be of the difficulty level of the 10th standard. In total questions and marking scheme, the total number of questions in UG CLAT will be 120 questions. A mark will be awarded for each correct answer, while 0.25 will be deducted for every wrong answer. In skills evaluated, the main skill that will be tested in CLAT are aptitude and reasoning skills. Prior knowledge of legal education is not necessary. Let's check the CLAT UG recommended books. For the English subject, the books are Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis, High School English Grammar and Composition Key by Renan Martin. For the current affairs, the books are Manorama Yearbook 2021 by Manorama, Current Affairs Yearly 2021 by Arihant, Legal Awareness, Legal Reasoning by Bharadwaj. For legal reasoning, the book are Legal Aptitude for the CLAT and Other Law Entrance Examination by Bharadwaj. For logical reasoning, the books are Universal's Logical Reasoning for CLAT, LSAT and Other Law Entrance Exam by Jan Prateek. Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agrawal. For quantitative techniques, the books are Universal's Elementary Mathematics Numerical Ability by Jan Prateek. Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Agrawal. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.